But like I was saying, here she is. My neighbor Rich said it's an old car. So what it is, it looked way better from when we first got it. What up, though, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and as you can see from the thumbnail, we pulling the donation Honda Civic back together, the parts that we got painted from the last video, the update video. Now it's time to put these parts on her, and because I got other stuff to paint, because I forgot to paint the gas door. But let's at least get the front end put back together. Still got to order tail lights and still got to order brakes for the car all the way around. Those be other videos. Got flies flying around me. So let's jump on into it. So here we are. She's all jacked up. Pieces of her everywhere. Messing around with the family members. I didn't drop my freshly painted bumper on the floor. I guess a gust of wind came through the garage and blew her off the stand because I had her sitting straight up so I can put the grill back on her. But it is what it is. Got a headlight installed, 10 millimeter. I can't remember if you had a bumper, but we're going to put the bumper on last. Well, I put the bumper on after I get the headlights installed. So let me get the other headlight put on. I got brand new hardware for those. Pesky headlights. And they kind of tricky to put them in. Because the way they go. Gotta go down first. This car haven't had headlights in her since the other videos. We got part 6, getting her face lifted. But it is what it is. Make sure that's nice and tight. This screw goes over here. So off camera, a while ago I was up in there replacing all the fasteners. All the rusty bolts and screws with new bolts. I don't know if you gotta have the bumper off, or you gotta you probably do gotta have the bumper off to get to this screw in the inside. Because there's no way you're gonna get to it if you got the bumper on, unless you go from the bottom, and you still won't be able to get to it. And all you gotta do is loosen it up and she'll slide. But like I said, I changed all the old rusty bolts out for new bolts. I got bags of bolts everywhere, but we gotta get this car slapped back together, even though she's not done yet. I guess I can slap the front bumper on because the fender's been off for a while. And I didn't tighten the bumper. I did not tighten the headlights all the way down. Because I gotta see how this bumper go back on. Okay, there we go over there. We're good over there. Oh, I missed that spot with the clear. Maybe be all right. This is why I need a paint booth. Not enough clear on this side. Just see dull. Nice and shiny over here. Got some orange peel down here. I thought I hit her good enough. But this is an old car. So I'm taking, I gotta have the front bumper off to get to that screw hole for the fender. We'll see. I'm gonna grab a fender. Yes, I got that front bumper off. I'm already scratching up the bumper. So we're gonna get that removed real quick. Slap the fenders on and go about our business.
Like me, open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself,
All right. Front end is almost wrapped back up. I still got to get, like I said, I got to get the skirts painted because they kind of dingy before I can bolt the rest of the inner fender in, whatever you want to call it, rain guard, before I can bolt the rest of that in because that bolts onto the skirt. They go on the sides. I didn't get those painted, nor did I get the gas door painted. But it came together for what it is, for all these aftermarket parts. Like both the fenders are aftermarket, the headlights aftermarket. The front bumper is not. It's from the junkyard off another car, but I could not find junkyard fenders because this car is too old, and all the cars I've seen like this had lots of miles and the fenders was all messed up. So I had to order aftermarket ones from Amazon, and they don't really match up to the rest of the car. But the body lines do match. But up here, I got a gap right here, a little gap. Aftermarket headlights got a gap there. Got a gap here. Got another gap here from the fender, another gap here from the fender. But the doors look good. I still got to buff and wax this car one more time. So let me slap on the back bumper, because that's all I got left to do is slap on this bumper before it get destroyed. Oh, they almost did it. Trying to go around the car. Almost did it. Yep, need a little help on that side. You gotta go up in that clip. About to go, yep, there we go. Oh, that's, yep, you got it. It's on the clip. But this side of the car has always sagged back here with a bumper. Whatever. There we go. There's always been a gap right there. So when we first got it, tried to fix that by moving the bracket. But she's on there. She only take like 2 screws, one on each side. Still got to order tail lights. Can't button up the inside yet until I get the tail lights. Got to order, like I said, got to order those. Got to get the gas door painted because it will not match the car. I think it's about to start raining. But she's looking kind of good. But like I was saying, here she is. My neighbor Rich said it's an old car. So what it is, it looked way better from when we first got it. And I told him I'm trying to do like showroom quality paint jobs. Like get trophies for, but I got a long way from that. I'm like, y'all know I'm just learning how to really paint cars. I got my wax running. But like I said, she looks 10 times better than what she used to look like when we first got her. Everything works. The interior is clean. Just got to do another vacuum out because we've been moving her around. So the interior is way better. If y'all new to this channel, go check out the videos when we first got her. All the work we did. Even got new exhaust from the front to the back. New catalytic converter, like I said, new battery, new fuel filter. spark plugs, wires, new gas tank on this car, a new purge valve on this car. We've got brand new tires that's going to come with this car. They're in the back. But I guess that's going to be a wrap for today. I get these tires smacked back on off camera and go about my business. There's another more I can do. Probably next video y'all see on this car will be doing the brakes all the way around, because she does need brakes. And I got to order the headlights. So I got to order brakes and the headlights. I think that's going to be a wrap. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would. Share this video with your friends, family, and coworkers on social media. It'd be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We also take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. And we have merch at teespring.com. Not what I'm wearing right now because I'm all out of shirts. But it's all links in the description area below. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people.
Deuces.